cards today using specifically the Flowers for Every Season Memories and More card pack. These are just some of the cards. I'm going to turn you around, the camera around, and show you some of the cards, actually all of the cards in the pack today. And then we're going to make a few samples and show the variety of ways that you can use this, because this is for cards, this is for memory keeping and everything. These are some of the cards from the Memories and More card pack. So when you get this card, it is going to come with 50 cards and 4 sticker sheets. Most of the colors are using our new in colors. We just had a new catalog launch. This is our new catalog, just started June 3rd, 2020. And we're going to look at page 10. If you have your catalog, go ahead and get it out. Down here in this corner, you can see there are a collection of products in the Flowers for Every Season suite. One of them mentioned here is the Flowers for Every Season Memories and More card pack. And we're going to flip to page 155 in the catalog. This is where they're listed at. Flowers for Every Season Memories and More card pack. So you get a variety of sizes and colors and designs. You get sticker sheets. You'll get 2 of each, so you can use one side, use the other side. You've got some room for journaling, or like this one, just a simple design. It's already there for you. It's already done for you. You've got some words as well as photos on the back. Here are some other cards. These are sized 3x4, and you can see so many different ways, so many different designs and colors. Again, we're using a lot of the new in colors, which we just got some brand new in colors this year with the 2020 catalog. Oh yes, you can use them for spring, summer, and fall. And actually, let me show you, particularly Christmas, right? So these are from the same pack. Oops, let's put this one here. These are poinsettias. So they are meant to use for the Christmas season. This looks Christmassy with the pine trees, pine needles, and leaves. This one is used as a Christmassy card, and they used some words in the catalog that says merry and bright, which typically you would use for the Christmas season. And this full card, 3x4 card of poinsettias. And then again with the winter sprigs and trees. So this can stretch you every season, actually every season. Spring, summer, fall, and winter. Here's another card that's good for just, there's your greeting already ready to put on your card. Yes, they have everything in this pack. Feeling festive, which is again part of that Christmas or even fall, maybe Thanksgiving time frame. And here we go, here's the back. Sticker sheets. So these are stickers. They just peel and stick. Ready to go. You get 2 sheets of those. These are words, beautiful, happy, you, wishes. Then you've got these little elements like leaves and flowers. Those are stickers as well. Here's some of the cards. These are 4x6 cards. So these will fit perfectly in usually the pocket pages for scrapbooking. This could be used as a title card. Also, you could cut these down and use them on the front of a card. Look at that one, Bloom and Grow. That's so pretty. Here's some of the new colors. Like this is Cinnamon Cider is our new in color. Midnight Muse is one of our new in colors. Magenta, no, this is not Magenta Madness. This one, this Just Jade is another new in color. This one, Magenta Madness right here. Here's a 4x6 card for the winter season. So winter wishes. It's got those same twigs and pine leaves. And the other side is our Midnight Muse color. So I've got a card base here. It's a Bumblebee. This is our new in color Bumblebee. So I have a card here that's 5.5 by 4.25. And I want this to be on the background here as my layer. This is one of the cards from that card pack. But as you can see, it's too long, so I'm going to cut this off so that it will fit. So our card base is 5.5. So I want this to be 5.25. It already looks okay on this side because this is 4. This is 4 inches. The card measures 4.25. So we want to do a quarter shorter. That makes sense. The card base is 4.25, and this is at 4 already. This is 5.5, and so we want this at 5.25. We're gonna cut it. Okay, see, and now it'll layer on our card perfectly. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and glue this down. I'm gonna glue this. Just put some tape on the back. It's just like pattern paper. If you had 12 by 12 pattern paper and you cut this down. Then I pulled 2 cards from the card pack. These are the backs. These are what I want to use. I want to use this one for layering back here. And then I want to use this one on top of this one here. I also want to use some of the ribbon. So we're going to use the twine. But I want to glue these together first. So, because I want the twine to go around them. So I'm going to glue this down here. Then I'm going to tie this twine. I'm going to do it in a bow. Let's see, I'm going to go around twice, just like this. And I'm going to tie it in a bow. This twine is perfect for cards because it's thin enough. It's easy to wrap around the card several times, and then it lays flat for mailing. Okay, trim that off. I'm just going to put this flat on the card. So I'm just going to go back in with my tape. Don't you love these colors? This one's very spring summery to me. And all the work is done for us. I mean, we have our pattern, another 2 patterns here. I want to place some stickers. So I'm going to go over here to the sticker sheet, and I think I'm going to use this one because it pulls in the yellow, the blue, and the green. And you know what? I'm going to put it on dimensionals. These are a must in your craft kit. Okay, let's see. Let's put this here. And then I went ahead and trimmed. So this was part of the card. Like I showed you, like for instance, this one goes with the winter theme. It's got happy holidays, holly jolly, warm and cozy, winter wonderland. But we have this other one that I used to cut because this is not a winter card, this is a spring card. Yay for today and celebrate. So I went ahead and trimmed it, but I'm going to use my scissors here to just cut them out. It's so cute. Okay, these colors will go really well. I'm going to use the Just Jade and the Bumblebee. And I want to use dimensionals. So I'm going to, these are our regular size dimensionals. These are the miniature size dimensionals. So I'm going to use those for the back. And did you notice there's no stamping? I didn't get any stamp or any ink pad out to make this card. I just used the Memories and More card pack. I used the ribbon, some cardstock, and that's it. Yay! Who likes this card? I love it. You could decorate the inside if you wanted to. We're just going to leave it like that for right now. So there is card number 1. Card number 2, I pulled another card from the Memories and More card pack. So all of these cards this size measure 3 by 4. 3x4. So I know if I want a layer behind it of plain cardstock, I need to go 1/4 inch more. So if this is 3x4, then I want to cut my layer piece at 3 1/4 by 4 1/4. I'm going to use this side though, because I want this greeting to be the greeting on my card. This is a piece of Magenta Madness cardstock. This is one of our newer cardstock colors, again, from the In Color collection. And I could leave it like this, but I wanted just a little more behind it, so I went ahead and cut that layer there. I want to use some of the ribbon from that ribbon pack, and I want to use this white. So let's see. This ribbon is really easy to tie to. I'm going to put it on dimensionals so that it is raised to the front on the front of the card. And then I'm going to use some of the elements from the sticker sheet from the Memories and More card pack. Yeah, let's do it on an angle. There we go. Yes, I like it. Again, no stamping, no ink. All I needed was adhesive, and I added the ribbon and had the cardstock, but we used items from our Memories and More card pack. How cute. Okay, I have one more card to show you that I made, and this time I used the gingham ribbon. I used a 4x6 card that I cut down to 5 1/4 because I wanted it to fit on my card as a layer. I used 2 of the 3x4 cards. I used a happy birthday sentiment from another stamp set that I had, and I used some Night of Navy ink. I trimmed the paper to fit like a banner or a pennant or a flag on the card. I used dimensionals. I tied the gingham ribbon around here, and there you go. And I used it as a happy birthday card. So this is the new Just Jade cardstock. Isn't that cute? So there we go. Here's the 2 cards we made earlier, and then this one. All using products from our Memories and More card pack. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you all next time.